Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Herlina Desiriana from IKIP Siliwangi. Allow me to present an article entitled Need Analysis of the Team Games Tournament Learning Model assisted by the Woodwell application in developing critical thinking skill of grade 1 elementary school student. Introduction. First grade student must master basic reading and writing skills to develop critical thinking skill from an early age. Research show that reading and writing skill in the early grade play a critical role in determining student success. If they are not strong in the early grades, students will experience difficulties. Low critical thinking skills are caused by conventional learning models that are less engaging for students. Low critical thinking skills are caused by the use of conventional learning models that lack student interest. Critical thinking skills are caused by the majority of teachers using conventional learning model, where the teacher is center of learning. The interactive TGT learning model supported by the Wordwell application can increase student interest while developing critical thinking skill. The TGT learning model combines cooperative, competitive, and games element supported by the digital media of the interactive Wordwell game. The need of this study will be examined to make learning more engaging and challenging for first grade elementary school students. There has been no research on developing critical thinking skill in first grade elementary school students who are still learning to read and write using the TGT learning model assisted by Wordwell application in Indonesian language learning. The method I use in this research is using deskripsi kualitatif, and the research subject were 20 grade 1 teacher in Padalarang sub-district. The research instrument was an interview using a Google form questionnaire. The research focused on the need to develop TGT learning model assisted by Wordwell application. Result and discussion this research is 100% respondents state the importance of reading and writing skill of one grade elementary school student has a foundation for critical thinking. 100% respondent encountered challenge when teaching reading and writing and solve solution. 50% respondent use learning media while the rest still use conventional method. 95% respondent were aware of students' critical thinking skill and believed that TGT could improve the skill. 90% respondent needed to develop application-assisted TGT. 100% respondent feel the need to implement TGT-assisted word application. Conclusion this research, teaching, reading, and writing first still use conventional method. Teacher face many challenges, necessitating more interactive learning models to develop critical thinking. The TGT model is widely recognized and proven effective in improving critical thinking skills through collaboration, games, and competition. The implementation of TGT in the field is not yet optimal and requires the support of digital application tailored to the need of first grade student. The development of a Wordwell-based TGT tool is essential to foster critical thinking skill from an early age. Thank you. And that's conclude my presentation. I would be happy to discuss ways to improve this research. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.